here. Put this here.
This is my life. It's not always picture perfect. Plus, I'm dealing with bleeding from uterine fibroids. Enter my fentanyl. Once daily.
Okay. Looks like the Dex play would have printed 1-for-1. Dude. Freaking tell me about it. I'll look at that in a second. Let me tweet this link out. And then alert everyone too. Let me actually alert everyone first. Okay. Oh, it looks like the Dex play would have printed. Turn that off. And then let me tweet this real quick, guys, and then we'll get into it. I got to shower so bad. I feel gross. Hold on, guys. Let me just tweet this. Thank you for being patient. Hopefully we have a good turnout today because I gained quite a few followers yesterday. So I wanna get this stream popping. Okay. That should be fine. Tweet that bad boy out. Okay. Okay, let's look at SPY here. Okay, goodness. We've broken below the 416.20 mark from which we were chopping around earlier today. It's probably due to this the sell of calls here that happened. We went from let's see, what did we go? Almost $14 million in calls all the way back down to like 5. Well, this is 6.82 million. Yeah, Dex play printed today. What is that? Because I wrote it down. So they were $570 per contract. Let's see what they are at now, because it's kind of just, I mean, we're up $2.50, so I feel like that was still a good play. So it was September 26th, and it was the $422 call. Yeah, so those are up. Those are up just barely. So those are up like $100. I guess that's pretty good. It's like 15%. 15% gain in a monthly call is really good. So I'm at ace for that Baba play. Dude, we should go over that. We should go over that Baba play. I don't know what he saw, which is kind of hard, so we can't really read his mind on what happened there, but we can kind of see the flow at least and see what happened there. Why is it always easier for plays to go red? Peaked at 703. Oh yeah, okay, so that call went to 703. Kingsford, thank you for the sub, bro. Just got a notification. I should have like a, that's what I'm gonna do real quick. I don't know if I can do it now, but I should literally put like an animation or something when someone subs. Are you going to be taking any lottos before close tomorrow? It's possible. So yesterday there was a Dex print, which is, let me see if I can find it. It's right here. Okay, so let me zoom in here. Oops. Okay, so yesterday we had a print, a green Dex print, and usually that indicates that the next day will be green. So this one printed green, which today we're close to close. We have an hour left, but this has been pretty accurate as of late, especially these bigger ones. So this was an accurate Dex print yesterday, green, and then we have a bigger one actually, which makes me think that we're gonna have a green day tomorrow as well. So it just depends on how we close here. It's possible that I might get into a call swing, but I'm also paying attention to the net flow. As long as puts stay below 0, I feel like that's a pretty good play. I agree with what he saw, but there was a huge buy for Baba and instantly down 50%. It's tough, man. Yeah, that's what happens sometimes with the ace. That's why I've been sticking with SPY lately, because one, I've been super consistent with it, and I feel like once I like veer away from my strategy, I feel like I'll start losing. So that's why I don't really take single stocks like that much, because I've been so successful just trading SPY. But yeah, Baba, bro, we called out Baba, Wickeds. You don't remember? We called out Baba 2 days ago. We were looking at the flow on Baba, and the volume in those $100 calls were insanity, bro. Yeah, Keith, thanks for tuning in, bro. I'm glad you made it. Yeah, this red line in our puts. And if you guys have questions, honestly, if you guys have any questions at all, please ask them, and I'll try to go over it and make it as simple as possible for you guys. It helps me because it helps me be able to explain it better, and also eventually I'll be able to start making like little videos, like short videos, to be able to share that with everyone, not just you guys. So please don't like be scared to ask questions or anything. We're all learning here, especially like even I'm still learning. There's new things that I learned just yesterday, bro. Literally just yesterday I learned about gamma exposure, and it has been like amazing. Me and Wickeds went over gamma exposure a lot. So that's definitely going to be another tool that I'm going to be using in my arsenal. Same, you only trade SPY. Yeah, SPY's the GOAT, man. Look at this. SPY is literally the best ticker to ever be traded. There's so much volume. There's volatility. There's you can always get in and out of trades whenever you want. What's my win-loss percentage on SPY day trades since you started using market net flow? Yeah, so sadly I haven't been keeping track of it because I didn't really like care. I didn't really have a following or anything. I guess just kind of did trading on the side for fun. But if I'd have to give an estimate, it is around 80 to 90% accurate. And for those who have been like with me for quite a while, I can attest to that. I only miss usually 2 out of 10 trades, like at max. Today we were 2 for 2 on trades. The first one was better. The first trade was way better this morning. The second trade I got out too early. I got out with minimal gains, but if you would have held for longer, you would have been up like 30, 40%. Keith, yes. So the green line are calls. Yeah, this green line is the net flow for calls. So you can see on the right side here, it says cumulative net premiums. So I can see exactly how much money is in the market in calls in total. So this green line, it's literally the net. So what that means is it's all the buys and sells of calls averaged together. And that's what this green line is. So to be realistic, we are at about $7.76 million net premiums in calls in the whole entire market. Brant, let's go, bro. Join today. Let's go. We're gonna have a party here, guys. I released my strategy for MarketNet Flow yesterday, and that tweet did very, very well. So I appreciate all you new guys who are in here supporting me and willing to learn and I don't know, just make money. That's what we're here for, right? We want to make some money. So we'll be going over SPY. Man, look at SPY. Look at that bounce off of VWAP. That's so pretty. That's the 5-minute chart. Wait, hold up. Why is my VWAP different on Webull than it is on TradingView? That is weird to me. Oh, I know what. Wait. Maybe if I take extended hours off? Nope, that doesn't matter. Okay, can we see this live? Keith, what do you mean by can you see what live? Oh no, Wayne. Wayne's in here. Peyton, let me answer Peyton's question. Keith, if you can elaborate a little bit on what you mean by seeing what live, then I can help you there. I got in late this morning, but I still made like 10% at the end of the big move this morning. Let's go. Love the strategy, man. Looking forward to consistent gains. Dude, I have been so consistent using that strategy. And yeah, like Wayne and Wickeds have been with me for quite a while. For at least the last month or two. And they see firsthand what MarketNet Flow has done, especially in my trades. I wish I could go back and show you guys screenshots, but I got banned from the server that I posted all those screenshots on. So yeah. But I might have some on my phone. I usually delete them, but I definitely have a bunch of screenshots on. This is, I don't know if you can see it. Hold on, let me see all those blue screenshots. Those are all gains on my phone. I probably have some from forever ago. Let's see. Yeah, July 21st. We're super consistent around here, guys. Using MarketNet Flow, if you're smart about it and you don't take too many trades and you don't show any emotions, you're going to be profitable using MarketNet Flow. I'm telling you. And once you guys start to learn how to use it and develop a strategy of your own or just learn from other people like myself, you guys are going to be highly, highly profitable. Yeah, we caught that SPY. We caught this giant SPY move right here in the morning. About a $2 move, $3 move almost. I got out early. I got out around 417. But yeah, I got out 25% gains in that, and then I rode the rest to 60%. Wayne, bro. Okay, listen, Wayne. Remember what we said. You'll learn, bro. Do not go too heavy into contracts. Don't go too heavy. Don't get cocky. I'm glad you're learning, bro. You were positive, man, and then you went super red. It was all because of that Baba play, huh? That Ace did. SPY is a killer. You got to learn to portfolio manage your positions and everything. Position sizing relative to your portfolio. So SPY is running up a little bit here, guys. We'll see if we can get a break of 417 in power hour here. Let's check MarketNet Flow. So calls are coming up just a little bit after a big dip. So this dip would have scared me a little bit. I honestly would have gotten out there, especially this huge downtrend here, and it still was going up. So that was a good time to get out if you were still in calls. But the good thing is puts are still below zero. Calls are coming up a little bit, and price action is coming up a little bit too. We'll see if we can get that break of 417. We'll be watching it. I'm so mad, Baba Moon. Wayne, weren't you here? Weren't you here 2 days ago on stream when we were talking about Baba calls? Me and Wickeds were talking about Baba calls. We saw how much volume and how much premiums were going into Baba. And there were contracts that went from $20 to $200 today. I'm not even lying. Those went up 1,000% today. And we didn't get into them. We definitely talked about them though. Okay, question. Let's see. Things opened a bit choppy this morning. How do you know when to get in on SPY? Okay, so that's a great question. I will go over my exact thought process on the SPY trade I did this morning, but I'm going to do it in just a second. I'm going to answer some more questions. Hold that thought, Peyton. Honestly, that's a really good question. I think in your tweet you said you usually wait 23. Yeah. Yeah, so I did go against my strategy just a little bit. I'll go over that though on why I did that. Because I want to say I got in like 10 or 15 minutes after open. I'll have to look exactly, but I'll go over it. I did break my rule today. I'll go over that though. We'll go over my thought process and everything. And Wickeds is pretty familiar on why I got into that. We've been DMing and discussing why I got into that. But we'll go over it. Malik BRB. Okay, hey Malik, let me know when you come back, and then I'll go over that trade. So you're here when I go over that. Those $20 BABA contracts went to 11 at one point. What do you mean? Wait, 2 days ago did they go to $11 instead of 20? Did they dip that much? Wait, where's BABA? So 2 days ago. No, they didn't go down that low. Because yesterday we had a huge spike up and BABA went crazy yesterday too. Nah, no shot those got to $20 or $11, bro. Those for sure were green the whole time. Maybe they did. I don't know. I need to look. The man was hungry and wanted some gains. I was very hungry, and I know exactly why I broke my strategy rule too. And I'm going to go over it. Once Malik comes back in here, we're going to go over that trade, guys. SPY doing. Okay, we're kind of testing that 417 level. Let me draw a line here on TradingView. 417 is right there. Oops. 417 is the yellow line. See if we can break it. We're having some issues breaking it. It's tapped twice. Let's see if we can break it. What's your take on tomorrow? Still green, even though the Fed talk in Jackson Hole. Yeah. I mean, yeah, big events like that, it can get really slimy and disgusting. So it's best to kind of just stay out during those the important economic events, especially like the Federal Reserve talking. But as of right now, the DEX is printed green, so I'm expecting green. That's the only reason why I'm expecting green, and because of this as well, market net flow. If you go back like the past 3 days or so, we're extremely bullish. See, past 3 days flow, we're net negative 10 million inputs and positive 50. Let's see the past 5 days. 5 days we're kind of just chilling, so so my guess is, my prediction is we hit 420 on SPY, and then the bears step in at 420. I don't know if we'll hit 420 today. I doubt it. I highly doubt it, but tomorrow possibly. And then 420 is that heavy resistance. And you'll understand why I say 420 because of this, and I'll go over that in my trade recap today on my first trade. So break of 417, we're gonna go back to for the high of day today. Don't know if we'll get there today. Oh wait, what is today? The 25th? Yeah, so that's right. Where's Malik? I need him in here, bro. Where is that boy? What's your take on tomorrow? Oh wait, I already answered that. 420 blaze it, bro. Oh, I'm sorry, Keith. I forgot to answer you, bro. Keith, if you go on the Discord, here, I'll show you. If you go on the Discord here, here's the Discord chat. You don't see any of this. This is like moderator stuff, so don't worry about that. If you go here to trading chat, or you can go to bot queries too. Johnny's up in here all the time. But you can type right here to see the live flow. If you just type in here T net flow market, and then the bot will do that automatically for you. And this is a live chart. What's up, AK? What are you looking at? We're looking at market net flow. We're going over our trades. We're going over a bunch of stuff. So this is a live chart, Heath. And then if you want it to update, just do it again. Just literally type that command, netflow market, and then it'll pull up again with an updated chart. Makes sense? Okay, Spy, what are you doing here? See, it's having a really hard time. Really hard time breaking 417. It's kind of minimal volume too, which is surprising. We're going to pick up volume a lot in 30 minutes or in 20 minutes. Oh, we're just waiting for Malik and then I'll go over my trade. Let me see exactly what time I got in this morning. Wayne, bro, just stick with us. Take it easy. Just slow down a little bit, bro, and you will make money, I promise. Wayne took a bad trade today, and he went way too heavy on it. Where's my SPY call that I bought this morning? What is this? No, it's not that one. That's not it either. Where's my... Keith, what do you mean for me or anyone? Yeah, dude, anyone can do it. Literally anyone can go over here into the trading chat here and literally type T net flow market and this chart will pull up. And if you want any more commands, there's so many tools, guys, to use. If you go here to bot commands, I have them all listed for you. Most of them, at least. There's new ones that I need to add, but yeah, there's so many things that you can look at. What was I going? Oh, I was trying to find my when I got into that SPY call today. Hold on. Okay, so here it is. I think I bought one. Oh wait, was that yesterday? Gosh, this is a headache, guys. You have no idea. What's the date today? The 25th? Okay, so it was not that. Okay, so I bought two at 87. That's right. I bought two at 87 at... I bought it at 6:34. So only 4 minutes into close or open. So let me write that down so I can have it. So I bought contracts at $87 at 6:34 a.m. at 0.87. And then when did I get out? I got out at some at 7 and then some at 8:12. 7 and then 8:12. Okay. Where's Malik, bro? I want to go over my trade. We might have to do it without him. We might have to do it without him. Oh, bro. I got out at 7 a.m. literally at this candle. Like at the top. That's crazy. If I go to 1 minute, let's see exactly when that was. Where's 7? This candle right here. I guess not exactly at the top, but close. This is the top, but... And then 8:12 I got out, which is down here. Right? 8:12? Oh no, that's when I got in again. Oops, I just moved my resistance point here. Oh, that's pretty close. That's good enough. Malik's here. Let's go, baby. He's here. He's here. How did you find Ace? I found him a long time ago, bro. Like 2 years ago. Maybe even longer. Me and him go way back. Ace is my main man. He goes live in the mornings, and then I go live at night, or not at night, later on in the afternoon. He doesn't go live every day, kind of like I do, but he does. I think he goes live twice, 2 or 3 times a week. But yeah, he live trades too in the morning, and he never trades late in the day. He's always a morning trader, and he's done by like 8 or 9 Pacific time. Okay, let me go back to the 5 minute because this is really hard to look at. Okay, Malik. Since Malik's back, we're going to go over my trade and exactly what I got into, why I thought that way, why I broke my strategy just a little bit, and what happened during that. And Wickeds can back me up a little bit on my thought process on the SPY trade we got in this morning, because we've been talking about it a lot together. I swear, as soon as you said my name, I got back. Sweet. Okay. So yesterday, so this all starts from yesterday, right? So yesterday, why I chose calls was number one, because of this net flow. So we can go back in history here. We can go back to tomorrow or yesterday, and we can see that flow was still pretty bullish. Puts came up a lot during close yesterday, but nonetheless, calls were still very bullish, right? And usually when it's pretty heavy calls like this, usually goes into the next day. And how I can confirm that is through this DEX chart, which is right below here. I go here, draw, and then I remove moving averages here. So this was so every single day, this DEX chart prints a green or a red bar. And usually what that indicates is there are a lot of deltas, either positive or negative in the market. And when they're green, it usually indicates that there's going to be a continuation of the trend if there's multiple green bars. So all these bars have been right so far, except for this one, I think. But this was yesterday's DEX bar, and it printed a green bar, which literally sparked a bullish mindset in my mind right away. So I'm like, okay, we're probably going to be bullish tomorrow. Or did I say bearish? I hope I didn't say bearish. I meant bullish if I did say bearish. So this green bar means that I was bullish on the day. Okay, so we go to that, and then we go to futures trading. So I was looking at the market at nighttime, and I was trying to find levels on where the market might bounce during the day today. And right here, I might have to refresh it, but you can see here I have a line drawn here. Drawn. I can't speak. But here is the line drawn for 415. This is 415 on SPY, by the way. So this line would be 415. You can see back here, if I go back to yesterday, you can see the resistance. See, you can see that we bounced here, and this is 415, guys. 415.16, which is pretty close to 415. But you can see we had a pivot here, and we had a pivot here yesterday. So it's like, okay, so I drew a line at 415 on where it pivoted. See where it pivoted here on futures too? Futures trading is literally the same thing as SPY, if you guys didn't know. So last night I was talking to Wickeds. I was like, okay, if we break 415 level, we're going to be going to 417. And how I know that is because of the gamma exposure. right here. So this is the gamma exposure for this week. So you can see these really large bars, and what this indicates is market makers in lots of different contracts, and they're really good support and resistance zones for me, good levels for me to look at on where the market might push higher or the market may push lower. So you can see here there's a really strong, see, 415. This bar is pretty huge, right? 415. This is the 415 strike, and that's why I drew a line at 415. And you can see there's really hard resistance here, and then once we broke that, we were going to go to 417, like almost immediately. And that's what I saw this morning, or that's what I saw in futures trading last night. See how we broke this 415 level? We literally broke the 415 level during pre-market for one, and during futures trading, and we went to 417. And we literally fell back down. Oh my gosh, are we pumping in SPY right now? Look, okay. So this is live right now, guys. We're hovering over the 417 level. So in my mind right now, I'm thinking, okay, tomorrow's going to be pretty bullish. As long as we hold 417, we just broke it. As long as we hold 417, we're going to 420. And why I can tell you that is because of this. See this gamma exposure? This is 417, so that's heavy resistance for me. See how big these bars are? 417 would be like a major pivot, and you can see just today how much we've bounced off of that. We kind of went above it here in SPY, which was like crazy to me, but we faked out immediately. So I was like, okay, since we broke back down below, we're going to hit off of 415 again, because that's where we've been pivoting a lot, and that's what I've been seeing in gamma exposure. So since we're breaking above this, guys, and we're bullish on the DEX, I feel like we're going to be going to 420 tomorrow. So that's just my thought process. I don't know if that makes sense. I hope that does. It's a lot of information to kind of intake, but that was my literal thought process going into this morning. And then you can see my thought process going into tomorrow as well. So the trade I got into was literally 5 minutes after open. So it was literally at the bottom of the market today. And I got into that because we already broke this level in pre-market. We broke the 415 level, so there's like no reason that the market shouldn't come back up to that 417 level and break through that 415. And we got a strong move past that, guys. We bought here, and I bought in a little bit earlier because I saw a flow. So here, I'll go back here. So I saw flow. Look, puts were at the beginning of the day, like right off the bat. Right off the bat, flow was extremely bearish. We were below zero still, and calls were starting to be bought. So I was like, okay, I got to take this right away. So when I see, excuse me. So this right here, on my cursor right here, this right here was right when I got in. You can see at 9:35, calls were at like 2 million, and puts were still below zero. Now, I went against my trading strategy there, but I felt like that was a good entry, especially since we broke those levels in pre-market and futures trading. So if I saw any bit of bullish like call flow, I was going to get in, man. And we rode that shit all the way up, baby. It was beautiful. Excuse me. Okay, so that was very long-winded. I hope you guys understood that a little bit. We're going to be watching this. So this is crazy. We're breaking 417. So in my mind right away, I think we're going to 420. And that's because of this. See, 417 was a heavy resistance because of this gamma exposure. And there's nothing really, taking us back down at 418 or 419. So 420 is going to be a big move back down. That's just my opinion. I don't know if it's going to work out. We'll see tomorrow. But if my prediction's right, which we have been as of late, yeah. And we're getting big, strong move. See what happens when you break these levels, guys? We have big moves. Especially here this morning, you can see right past that 415, which is here, 415, or no, sorry, 415 gamma exposure support, which is very big. We could see a big move past that to 417, and I got out at 417. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's answer some questions. If you guys have questions about anything that I just talked about, please do, because I don't know if I explained that well enough. Okay, Malik says, I get the 415, but how 417? Yeah. So if you go back here, sorry. See 417 here? There was gamma exposure at 417 heavy and 415. They're about equally the same amount. So you can use these both, even if they're green or red, as support or resistance. When support is broken, it turns into resistance. And when support is broken, it turns into... Oh, wait. Did I just say that again? If resistance is broken, it turns into support. Yeah, there you go. 100% if we bought calls when it dumped to 419. Yeah, bro, those... So if we would have held that all the way up to a little bit higher, which I feel like we traded that like literally perfectly. We played the break of 415 and we closed out at 417, which was about 25-30% gains. I feel like that was like the most perfect trade. Dog. Sorry guys, my dog's in here causing ruckus. I had to double check it was you on that trade because it was so early in the... I appreciate you following me and you actually know what I do. Yeah, it was actually me. That happens rarely though. I hardly ever get into trades right at open like that. Yeah, green or red, it's literally, it doesn't matter. It's support or resistance. SPY 417.28 entering calls? No. I never get in on rips. Remember that. I never, ever, ever get in on rips. Now, since we broke this level, if we come up a little bit more and maybe go like this, maybe if we come up a little bit more and then we come back down and retest 417, then I'd be getting in. But as of right now, I'm not going to, just because we've already ripped. We've ripped up pretty heavy. I sold at the very top, then the last few at break even, which was at the turning point. 1 minute later, I would have been... I think I know what you mean there, Wickeds. Yeah, so this is what I did. I literally... So I wrote it down. I got in at 634. Oh my gosh, I hate TradingView, bro. TradingView is so annoying. Okay, yeah, so those are our levels there. We'll leave those there. So I got in at 634, 635-ish. It was like 634 and 52 seconds, so I'm just going to say 635. So literally at the bottom here. And I rode that all the way up to 417. Literally once it broke 415, I rode it. And I rode it to 417 because I figured 417 would be a pretty good pivot point. So I feel like we traded this perfectly. We literally traded it from top to bottom here. We didn't get the absolute top of the day, but we did get pretty decent profits with 30% right there. Because these levels, remember guys, these gamma exposures are really good levels to look at. So that's what my thought process was. Break of 415, we're going straight to 417. And that's exactly what it did. And the same thing is happening again right now, like as we speak. 417 break, we're going to be going to 420 tomorrow, most likely. Look at this move, guys. It's freaking pretty. We might have a little bit heavy resistance here at the high of day. We might come back down to 417, but as long as we remain bullish on flow, which I don't know, we have to take note of that because puts are coming up a little bit, but nonetheless, we're still positive. GEX is what tab? Okay, yeah. So it's right under market net flow, bro, if you have it. You can also go onto the Discord and find it there too. There's a command for it. It's just !GEX SPY, I think, or market. I have to look. It's no exclamation point. No, sorry. T-GX SPY. I think that's what it is. Let's see if that's right. Yeah. It's T-GX space SPY. I wonder what would happen if you do market. GX market. It doesn't work. First day on Discord. Malik, you need to be in here more, bro. You'll learn so much. we've got a bunch of good guys, and the reason why I started the community, I started a long time ago, but the reason why I want people to get in here and start learning about all these bots and everything is because we learn off of each other, right? So once someone tests out a different tool, and then they can explain it to everyone in the community, right? So it's going to be really cool to see as we grow. And I enjoy having all you guys in there, honestly. Like, it's everything I ever wanted. I love going on lives here all the time. I love talking with you guys and also explaining, you know, my thought process and everything. So if you guys want to help me build that, consider telling your buddies about it. And if you're making money here, let me know too. You'll be making some money with the top alerters are me and then Ace. The whole idea isn't really to take alerts. The idea of the group is to learn about market data and then take trades for yourself, right? So yeah. Kingsford, did you find it, bro? Kingsford, thank you, bro. I appreciate that. First day and I love you. Hopefully I explained that pretty well, guys. I don't know if that thought process on my trade helped you at all, but I'm definitely going to go over and have like trade reviews like that pretty often. Yeah, pretty soon Wickeds will be starting to do call outs. I feel it. I feel it coming. The idea though isn't to do call outs. It's about making your own trades and feeling confident in doing that, right? You can definitely learn off of people just like everyone's doing here. I'm still learning off of other people. So it's good to have a community like this to learn and maximize your potential. New lows on UVIX. Yeah, I don't even know what UVIX is. Is that another fear index? I usually use UVXY or VIX or something like that. Should have been this whole time. Hopefully people can take profits. Oh no, did SPY deny? Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, so we're back at 417. Let's see if we bounce. So we did just bounce there heavy, so we got to hold that. We have to hold 417 since we broke it. We'll be watching it, guys, really close. 417 is a crucial level since we broke that. We bounced pretty hard. You guys are seeing it live. What my explanation of what kind of what happened. If this holds, like this tool is god tier. Gamma exposure and then combining it with market net flow. It's insane. Calls are still positive. And then Keith, just so you know, when you here I'll show you. When you do these bot commands here, it usually takes a minute or two to update, so it only updates every minute, so you're not going to see a huge drastic change if you keep doing it constantly like that. Usually wait, you know, a minute or two and then you'll be able to see what's going on there. And there's so many different tools you can use on here. You think we gap tomorrow? I don't know, bro. I think we're going to be bullish tomorrow just because of my predictions here. But we did gap what happened yesterday, which was super interesting. We gapped up during futures. I was watching it like pretty much all night, except when I was sleeping, of course. But I was watching futures trade, and that helped me gain confidence in the trade that I was going to get into today, this morning. So if we do gap up kind of like we did today, we didn't really... I mean, I gotta look at it. Did we gap up pretty heavy? No, we didn't even gap up that heavy. Okay, so this is cool what happened here. Let me show you. So look at this. This is the gap that we created here. See this is the futures trading, and this is pre-market for SPY. You can see we gapped up, and we were super green on the day, and then eventually into the opening bell, you can see we kind of dropped a little bit, and then right at open, we dropped. And this was also a good thing that I didn't even notice. We literally dropped and filled the gap right away. And then we bounced right away. You see that? You see this little area? See this gap fill right away? Okay, wait, hold on. This was the gap. Here, let me turn off. You guys will be able to see the gap better if I turn off. Turn this off, yeah. Where did we close here? Gosh. Okay, let's remove all these lines. We don't need these lines right now. Okay. So this is the gap. I'm gonna draw it so you guys can see it way better. Where is it? Price range here. Okay, see this is the gap. We literally closed here. Oh wait, where did we close? We closed here at SPY. Let me draw a line there for you. We closed here at SPY on this yellow line, and then we gapped up overnight. You can see that there's a little gap here, and immediately we fell right at open. This is at 6:30 this morning Pacific time, and we filled the gap like almost immediately. See that? And we bounced right off of support. It's beautiful. It's freaking so pretty. That's textbook right there. And you can see it too. You can see the gap. These shaded areas is the gap basically. After hours trading, pre-market, futures trading. Okay, let's see. Are we holding 417? We are. See that? If you spam the commands, it makes the market go the way you want. If only that were true. Okay, Kingsford, yeah. So you trade futures, so you know exactly what I'm talking about here, bro. You're very understanding of what's going on then. Currently long 420 would be amazing. Yeah, dude. Another 30-point move would be freaking nasty. It's possible, bro. Just with the predictions we've been making and how accurate it's been, it's very possible. Look, calls are coming back up, guys. Like, this is crazy. Puts coming down. This is ideal. The DEX levels is still very green. It's more green than it was yesterday. Like this one right here, this red one, although it was red the day after this, it was still very small. These big ones are the ones you want to pay attention to. These two. There we go, SPY. Nasty, bro. We should have taken that 420 or that 417 retest. I didn't think it was going to happen that fast. Come on, SPY. Let's see what you got here, buddy. Got 20 minutes left. So good. So good, guys. I'm just chilling for the rest of the day, though. I'm not going to get into anything. You could swing calls based off of the data that we just discussed. But I'm just going to take it easy, man. I've been so green this week that I just want to take it easy. I'm sure you guys don't blame me. You got to stay green, you know? My puppy's up here. You guys want to see my pup? Say hi. Say hi. Ugh. He's a freaking teddy bear. He's only, how old is he? He is 7 months old. That dog's 7 months old, bro. He used to be so tiny. He grew so fast. He's a very good boy. He's my teddy bear. He's always just chilling. You added on the pullback, Keith? Let's go. Did you add on that on this drop right here? This 417 retest. Dude, it happened quick. I thought we were going to come up a little bit and then drop slower and then back down to 417, but I should have figured since power hour gets pretty volatile. We'll see if we break 417.81, which is the high of the day. Don't curse it, bro. Baba has the biggest put flow in the market? Does it actually? Let's take a look at Baba, huh? Oops. Oops. Holy mother. Negative 76 million? The net flow's still bullish though. This can't be right. There's no way this is right. OMG 417 before close. Oh, let me look at TR top flow. They must be like really far out leaps. Oh, just look at your... Holy mackerel, yeah, look, 76 million, that's huge. But why is net flow positive? They must be like really far out leaps or something. I don't even see them here. I don't even see anything that crazy. Let's see if we can look. Oh yeah, there they are. January 2023, negative 34 million. Or sorry, 34 million in puts. Yeah, that's pretty heavy, but the strike is 250. Look at that. Those are way in the money. These are so deep in the money. What the hell is this guy doing? What the crap? Okay. Oh! Look, guys. Oh, my goodness. Okay, we got the break of 417. Oh, shit. It's moving. It's freaking moving. That's a big fatty candle. And yet we're missing it. I wonder what my contracts are at right now. Yeah, those contracts are like 120%, by the way. My contracts from this morning. Okay, well, no, I gotta draw 420 on here. 420, there's the next point. Oh, jeez-o. Dude, I did not think we were going to go up this hard already. We totally missed it. Holy crap. Dude, SPY's ripping. We freaking missed it. Calls are going way up now, all the way down from, yeah, 7 to 10, that quick. That's crazy. Like, I don't even know what to say about that one. All I can say is levels that we didn't play. We didn't play it on live. One, because I don't really trade late in the day, but sheesh, man. That's a freaking move and a half right there. That's just as great as this one this morning almost. What is this? 416 to 418, 20? Yeah. About the same. 414 to 417. You need bigger pockets. Hey, Keith, you're still in those, right? I got to check Twitter because there's some people that got into my plays that are still holding it. Freaking diamond hands over here. Where's Twitter? Holy mackerel, bro. It's still pumping. Okay, hold up. Hold up. Ah, freaking kidding me right now? I can't believe that. I even said that I was going to hold these into Power Hour, the ones on Twitter that I got into. Are you kidding me? I literally said taking 420 calls again, and I got them for 0.9 per contract, so $90, and now they are $185, so that's up 100% right now. Holy cow. That's 200% plays in a day, guys. One I didn't catch. The other I didn't even catch 100. I caught like 30. That's what happens though. Whenever I have a strategy, I always go out too early, it seems like. Yeah, 180. Keith, are you still in those? So does this paint a picture in the morning? I'll have to see what features has to do, but yes, it definitely does take a picture to me. In my dude, we might even get the 420 today. This is nuts. Just my thoughts right now is, you guys heard, like from the very beginning, I thought we were going to get to 120 or 420, sorry. But I did not think we were going to get up this high. I thought we were going to have a little trouble breaking these levels and then break it tomorrow. But shoot, bro, it happened so quick. You got it at 162. There you go. So you're up a little bit. The 420 call for 831 is up 65%. I don't doubt it, bro. Look at that. Look at that move. You're getting out at 300% no matter what you say. Don't you dare, Keith. Take profits, bro. Look at this. You don't get this that often. Take some profits. Dude, we're almost at 419. This is crazy. Is it at 200 right now? Oh my gosh, it is. Oh, brother. That's like 150% almost. Brother, there's no way we gotta come down just a little bit. Since we broke this level, we'll probably do the same thing we just did here until close or during after hours and futures trading. Keith is banking, bro. Keith, go into the Discord chat and post your gains, man. I want to see it. It makes me sad. So you guys can definitely hear the depression in my voice. This happens a lot. Like, this is not like a daily occurrence. This happens a lot for me. So I always stick to my strategy with contracts and getting out in profits. The thing is, whenever I get out, like all out, it always runs to 100%. And Wickeds knows. I swear it happens all the time. But the good thing is I'm very consistent when it comes to plays like these. So I feel like consistency is a lot better than big gains like this, especially like 100%. I feel like constant 30% gains is way better than one big 100, you know? It does hurt to see it though. Like, I'm not going to lie. Just watching your prediction play out and you're not in anything definitely hurts. We're into the 819 gap. Oh, really? I haven't even paid attention. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. This gap right here. So the gap is like 421. So, yeah, I mean, that's pretty close. That's close enough to the 420 level. But I feel like we're going to have a strong bounce down from 420. Just because of this. Gamma exposure on this 420 is freaking disgusting. It is huge. But man, oh man, we are running. Keith, take some profits, bro. And if I ever sell, don't be a bag holder. We've all been a bag holder before. I'm just saying, if you have multiple, consider taking some profits, okay? You can diamond hand all you want. But at least take some, especially the ones that expire tomorrow. You gotta take some profits here, because you'll get just absolutely obliterated by Theta. I'm just doing what I would do. If I was in your situation, Keith, I'd be taking most profits. Especially for contracts that expire tomorrow. Oh, let's check Twitter. Oh, no one even liked my tweet. That's messed up, guys. We're vibing. We're vibing. We're vibing. 10 minutes left in market. Trailing stop? Yeah, you do you, Keith. You do your thing, man. I'm not going to stop you there. Trailing stop losses are good. They'll throw me out. How much are you up? Are you up 100% or no? Maybe a little bit below that. But sheesh, bro. What a move. You know, what the heck is this music? Holy crap. Oh, we missed this. Look at this. Look at calls going absolutely wild, guys. Holy moly. Calls are going straight to the move. Okay, so I'm pretty confident in 420 calls for tomorrow. Maybe I'll get into some. Let's see. I'll get in like right at close probably. Still. Calls are going wild. Right, huh? Do I even have enough buying power? Ideally, you'd want it to come back down and retest this level C, 417.6, kind of where it broke out, right here, 417, 417.80. So I'm waiting to see. We probably will get a nice little sell off here at close, at least to that level, I think, because we're pretty extended on the RSI here, on all time frames, I'm sure. Yeah. Nice. BJ Cotton is doing a straddle for tomorrow. That's a good strategy. Mother of Zeus, bro. There's no shot. We're just going to go straight to 420. Oh, this is crazy. It's freaking nuts. I hope you guys are enjoying this. I'm having fun. What a day it's been. It's been a pretty good day. What say you all? Out at 199. Let's go, Keith. What a man. AK, I was thinking about doing a swing, but I also just forgot that there's economic data coming out tomorrow, so I might not swing and just see what goes on tomorrow morning instead. Because the last thing that I want to happen is to have a massive gap down and then just destroy my contracts, you know? And we're already getting pretty close to this 420 level, so I want to see what happens during after hours trading too. Yeah. So I just want to see what goes on after hours before I get into confident play. Although I am pretty confident that we will see at least to the 420 level. Whether we get it after hours, during futures trading, or tomorrow. It's possible we hit it in after hours and then we just completely are red tomorrow. You never really know. But once you get this close to these levels, you got to be careful. Oh my gosh. We're still going. No shot, bro. Look at this. Holy crap. We're going to hit 420. Holy crap. Dude. Oh my gosh. By the way, those contracts that I got in right at open this morning right here are at 275% gain. Just saying. That's freaking nuts. Okay, hey, thanks for tuning in, bro. Thanks for coming in and hanging out. We'll see you in the chats, hopefully, on Discord and on Twitter. Good day in the office, dude. You know it. Look at this. Just chilling. I'll show you guys my office. Check this out. I'm going to add my video capture device here. And then I'm going to add, hold on. Add a new source. And then let me add this camera. You guys will be able to see this. Okay, check this out. Here's my office. It's kind of messy. Right, here you go. Look at that, baby. There's the camera you guys can see me in. Beautiful. Look at that. Freaking mooning, guys. I might turn off that camera so you guys can see. Where is it? Oh, let me just delete that one. That's a wrap today, fellas. That's a wrap. We almost hit 420. Oh my goodness. Coming down. After hours, what a crazy close. I did not expect that. But calls just went freaking nutty at close there. Alright, guys. Well, if you guys don't have any more questions about anything, I will probably be getting off live and then chat with you guys on Discord if you guys don't have questions. Man, I was just kidding when I said 420 tonight. It actually happened. It almost did. It almost hit 420. It didn't hit it quite. It hit 4. What is this? Oh, I can see it. 419.57 is what it hit. It's about a 40-cent move back up. So that might be it. It's not exactly 420, but I mean, it's pretty close. And that's at the major resistance point, right? Right here. Major resistance. Holy crap. So, hey, Wickeds, if you want to post that in, can you post that into profits? If you post that in profits for me, and then either that or on Twitter, actually both. Can you do it on profits on the Discord and then tweet me that screenshot, or I can just take it. You don't have to tweet me. Just freaking post it in profits, and I'll take it from there. Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. Check Discord DM. 40%, bro. And you would have closed it at close. That's the strategy, right? Buy it open and then close right at close. Freaking nuts, bro. I can't believe that. What a Dex play. Okay, we'll look at tomorrow's Dex play then too. Technically, I don't like tomorrow's Dex play just because of what I'm seeing here in the gamma exposure. This 420 is going to be, I don't know, we might be red tomorrow since we got up there pretty quick. What would be the play tomorrow? Oh yeah, I'm kind of going over that right now. So I don't know, I don't know about tomorrow too much, although the flow is bullish. Okay, so there's two pros here. The pro is the Dex printed a green bar, which was bigger than yesterday's. And then the second pro is the market net flow is insane. Calls are way above puts in this case. Puts are below zero. But the only thing is here, this bar is huge. Discord link? Yeah, I'll send you the Discord link. Actually, Wicked's... Ah, shoot. I can't even say anything in here. Hold on. Let me go on YouTube real quick, and then I'll be able to tell you here. I'll send you the link. ASP or ACP, Desi. Let me post it. Post it. I don't know if you can click the link here, but you can copy it, I think. If you have me on Twitter, ACP, and you can't click on the link, then just like DM me, and I can send it to you there. But I will send it in the chat. Anyways, copy link address, and then I'll post it right here. Oh, that's not even the right one. Hold on. Okay, ACP, here you go. That's for you. If you can't click on it, then just DM me on Discord, okay? Or Twitter. Discord. Twitter. You have to have the invite link to get on Discord, so yeah, just DM me on Twitter. Did you post it in profits, Wickeds? Yeah. Thank you for posting that. Okay, so back to this. So the play for tomorrow, I'm kind of hesitant on. There's two pros and then one really big con. And that one con is probably going to keep me out of it because of this. But the thing is, if we break this level, 420, I'm going to be watching in futures trading. So if you're going to be with me, stay tuned in the Discord chat and also on like DMs if you want. But if we break this 420 level in futures trading today or after hours or whatever it is, we can go to 422. But I highly, highly doubt we're going to be getting to 420, like breaking past that just because of this. Like this bar is massive. And you can see how it's bounced around, right? Wickeds, you can see these levels that have been playing out really well. The past 2 days, even just the past 2 days that I've been using this, you can see that these levels are really holding really well and they're bouncing and using as support and resistance levels. So, let me actually mark the 420 level on futures here so I have it. I'm going to refresh this page and then get to the 5-minute chart here. And then what would be 420 on futures? I have to look at both charts just to see. So this is 420. Let's see where it hits. It hits a gap down. It's about 25-cent move down that way. Okay, so we're just going to do an estimate here on this move down. We're going to say that 420. Oh, wait, hold on. What is this move here? I'm trying to pinpoint where it is on futures because it's a little different. So this is the pivot on 421. So if that's the pivot, then this is what we're looking at. Yeah. So this is 421 right here on SPY. That line. And then 420 would literally be kind of like where we're at right now. Yeah, 420 is pretty much like where we're at, maybe a little bit higher of where we're at right now in futures. So maybe like right here. These are just estimates, but I'm going to be watching these closely. But we're pretty much already hit that 420 level on futures. And we pretty much already hit it in SPY too. Like we got pretty close. We got close enough in my eyes. Yeah, we literally we were 40 cents away. You're following me on Twitter. Okay, did that link work, Desi? Kingsford, about to go to work. What's the Discord link? Yeah, catch me in the AM, guys. The Discord link, I just sent it in chat. But if you do not have it and you cannot click it on YouTube chat, please DM me on Twitter and I will give you the link. So please DM me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is the Stonkdad. The STONKDAD. So yeah. I'll type it in chat too. The link's right above there, but I don't know if you guys can click on it in chat, especially on your phone. I can click it on PC, but I don't know if you can if you're on mobile. You can click it, yeah. Okay, so Kingsford and Desi, if you guys are having a hard time clicking that link above for the Discord, then just DM me on Twitter and I'll send it to you there too. But yeah, I'm probably going to head out, guys. As of right now, we've kind of already hit that 420 level. But nonetheless, we're still very bullish on the market overall. And we've printed this green DEX bar. So we'll have to see what happens here. I'm kind of mixed here. Like today we had a good trade and I had a good idea of what was going to happen. But since we are at this 420 level on the gamma exposure, I don't know. It's going to be pretty tough to break that, I feel like. We'll be watching in futures. I'll keep everyone updated on Twitter and Discord too. I'm on here all the time, you know it. But for now, peace out, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you tomorrow.